Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart, hourly chart of Euro USD in front of us, and Euro dollar. Okay, showed good amount of spikes at the time of NFP, but we can see that after the market opening, Euro USD is showing signs of correction. We can see Euro USD is a little weak right now. Okay, and the reason is DXY. Though the data was not very positive, the NFP data was not very positive for dollar. It made a low of 100.6, 100.55, but DXY showed immediate recovery. And this is the reason we can see pressure on the charts of Euro USD and GBP USD. Right now, DXY is standing at 101.6. This is the current market price. And surprisingly, DXY has shown good amount of recovery. So during the day, if DXY goes up, the next resistance on DXY will be around 101.90 to 102. And the second resistance will be around 102.30 around the 200 moving average. So these are the two levels where we can expect DXY to face some resistance during the day. And as we all know, 100.50 is standing as a mountain support for DXY, and we can expect that before CPI the support of 100.50 will remain. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see dollar firms up as inflation data. Okay, dollar index rose to around 101.7 on Tuesday, gaining for the third straight session as investors look forward to key US inflation data this week that could offer clues on the potential scale of an expected interest rate cut from the Fed later this month. So it's talking about tomorrow's CPI. And my dear friends, as we all know, before a major event like NFP and CPI, market usually doesn't go for a clean trend. Okay, so we can expect that DXY also, okay, will not go for a clean bullish market, or DXY will not go crazy downside. So we can expect the more or less the market to remain choppy. Okay, so if you have any ongoing position on Euro USD, GBP USD, or any USD pair, you can continue with the position. Okay, but if you are looking for fresh position as a swing trader or position trader, then obviously this is not the ideal time. After CPI, if market takes a trend, then it will be better for you to enter as a position trader or swing trader, because this market is not ideal, and this market is ideal for those who prefer to do level to level trading, or day traders or scalpers. Okay, so we are back on this Euro USD chart again. So we can see that Euro USD, okay, is standing at a very crucial support. We have discussed in a previous video also, the support around 1.1025. Yes, the level is very crucial right now. Euro USD is trying to take support around this area right now. So if you have any buy position on euro dollar right now around this particular area, you can be on the buy position. And during the day, if euro USD shows recovery, okay, you can look for swing, not swing, sell position around three levels: 1.1090 to 1.1100. The level at the top because of FIBO 50% retracement level plus resistance around this area. The second selling opportunity is around 1.1075 because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Plus, you can see the previous support will be working as resistance. So these are the two best levels on the chart of Euro USD, where as a day trader you can look for a sell position. But you must be thinking right now, Avilash, the volume is so low, chances of market going to those levels are little less. Yes, you are right. So here we can look for immediate selling opportunity around 1.1060 as well. Okay, this is not a very strong level like these two, but as a day trader you can look for a quick selling opportunity around 1.1060 for scalping purpose only. And if market goes down from here, the next support on the chart of Euro USD is around 1.1000. Why 1.1000 is the next best support on the chart of Euro USD? Because this is a round number, this is a psychological support. Okay, so this level will provide some support to the market, and on the 4 hours time frame, you can see we also have the 200 moving average coming down. Okay, now let's wait and watch whether the Euro USD bounces from the support or comes down to 1.1000. But the trading opportunities on Euro USD or any other USD pair also cannot very good right now because of low volume and as the market is waiting for tomorrow's CPI. Okay, so these are the three quick selling opportunities on Euro USD and a buy opportunity on Euro USD. Clear? And as I have already said on DXY, we can expect that before CPI, 100.5 will be standing as a very strong support, and these are the selling opportunities. Now let's look at a chart of GBP USD. But my dear friend, we need to also look at the economic calendar. Okay, you can see today we have a news, or after some time we have a news coming up on GBP USD. So at the time of news, the market will be volatile, so please be careful. And as we all know, at the time of news, when fundamentals dominate the market, technicals do not work. That is also a bitter reality. Okay, but if market doesn't show much volatility, in that case you can look for a buy around 1.3035 area. We have a FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Our previous FIBO level, okay, gave a nice opportunity for to day traders to make some money. So we are expecting the next FIBO level of 1.3035 to provide some buy opportunity. But the news may cause some trouble. Okay, after news, if GBP USD starts dropping, then obviously it will not work. But otherwise, okay, we can definitely expect some sort of buy around this area, and chances of market coming to the next support of 1.2960 1.2950 is very less, so let's not talk about it. And if GBP USD goes up, then we can look for a sell around 1.3130 1.3130. Why? Because we have multiple moving averages around this area, so obviously the moving averages will pose as a resistance. So if volume remains like this, then obviously GBP USD will face some selling pressure around this area, around 1.3130, around 1.3135. If GBP USD shows price rejection from above, we can look for a sell position. I cannot give you the exact number right now because this particular zone, okay, has been derived from the moving averages. They are dynamic, and after some time we also have a news coming up. Let's wait and watch. And that's all from my side, my dear friends. Okay, here also, okay, hold your positions, buy or sell. And as a position trader, swing trader, if you're looking for a fresh position, not the idle market. Okay, the traders market till tomorrow. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.